So today I am reviewing this light slash ceiling fan. This is pretty cool because look at it, it plugs into where a normal bulb would go. Puts off 40 watts of light, all LED. It's all enclosed right here. Very light. So if you're doing like a portable setup or camping, or you just have somewhere where you could screw it into an existing fixture, you can get some circulation going on, maybe in an RV. Has just a switch that you push right here. And if you want to store it, these just pull out. So they just pull out just like that. You can see right here, and you can see in there, they just clip in. So you could just pull these right out like that. You know, they are plastic, but yeah, it'll give a little bit of cooling and some light. So I'm gonna go put it in my garage, which is another great place for it, and we'll see how well it works. So there it is, all installed in my shop, which, you know, shops can get a little hot, so good to get some ventilation while you're working. Another cool thing, it comes with this remote. You can go ahead and turn it on. See, it has the light on. You can turn the light off, just have the fan. Turn the light back on, and then there's different modes. You can turn the fan, 3 different speeds. Low, medium, high. Put on for an hour. Put a bright light, cool it, dim it down. Different shades of light with it, which is cool. Very bright, like an orange, pure white. There's a nice, it's like a night mode. I like that, which is nice. And then we can dim it up, push it back down. Lots of variability with this, which is cool. So yeah, I hope this video helps you with your buying decision. And also just turn the fan off if you want just a light. So it's very versatile. Don't have to have the fan on, can just use the light. And it's especially cool because you also have this remote.